A bad misfire under load in the mid to upper gears on your Cummins ISM will keep you struggling to maintain posted speeds on the road, leading to frustration with your fuel system. It's time to stop buying from an injector cleaning shop. Put an end to your troubles with a quality injector from the certified fuel system specialists. Contact the experts at Highway and Heavy Parts, where we provide education, online resources, technical knowledge, and service, getting you back on the road. Experience the difference Highway and Heavy Parts can do for you and your diesel engine. Like this remanufactured Cummins ISM Select Fuel Injector. All fuel injectors are tested on industry-leading specialized fuel injection equipment, giving you proper fuel injection pressure and timing, meeting or exceeding OEM specifications. Each injector is fully disassembled, thoroughly inspected, and all critical components are replaced. Restore the power your ISM needs to get you back on the road. Lower emissions, increased fuel economy, and more power. Backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty and expert advice from our ASC certified parts technicians. Stop chasing the best deal out there and secure a quality injector from the certified fuel system specialists. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping, providing you with one complete solution. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.